Humanity may reach singularity within just 7 years, trend shows. So this is what I was talking about relating to language. One of the most complicated things to do is language. It's what a big difference between us and a lot of other species there, Will. Translation of languages, we kind of take for granted. We go on Google Translate, we throw in what we want, and we just go, okay, let's go ahead with it. But guess what?
Yeah, hurry up, Google.
It's way more nuanced than that.
Yeah.
Especially when you get
sentence structures.
Oh, baby, you get into
pronunciations.
Can become very. You have to be very careful. Things can become very regional, and the amount
dialects
of expertise you need to really do it well. So, this company here that specializes in translation has been tracking how much editing a human has to do, like how long it takes for one of their highly skilled humans to make adjustments to AI-generated translations. And the suggestion being, since they've been tracking it over time, AI has been getting better and better and better at an extreme pace.
Yeah.
In such a fashion that they are no longer having to spend very much time editing. Whereas in the past, the human editor would have to be in there for, say, I don't know, let's just pick an arbitrary number, 2 minutes. Now they're only editing the thing for 20 seconds. And they have it graphed out on how much acceleration has taken place and how much more nuanced and capable and, I guess, intelligent the AI in this particular task has become. Now, this is only one measure, obviously, of intelligence, language, but it is a very advanced one. And if other areas follow suit, like let's say it's all happening at the same time, and not just in language, but in image generation and in the answering of questions and translations and driving, and like it's because it does seem to be converging upon us through all this variety of segments of things that we interact with. If it is everywhere happening at a similar pace, then maybe things are closer than we may imagine when it comes to singularity or AI putting itself into a place that it might even be
conscious.
In some regards, ahead of our positioning. In some regards,
Aware.
Right now, you have, and by the way, this is called time to edit. A translation company actually developed this metric in order to account for the advancement of their AI tools and to try to quantify those improvements. But if you've progressed this quickly in this short a period of time, here's the amount of time. Performance was tracked from 2014 to 2022. The time to edit metric, which calculates the time it takes for professional human editors to fix AI-generated translations compared to human ones. Over the 8-year period, analyzing over 2 billion post-edits, Translated AI, the company, that's their name, showed a slow but undeniable improvement as it slowly closed the gap towards human-level translation quality. So, and then there's your chart, which obviously is a nice visual representation. So they're saying 7 years, it's at human level. 2027, right? Or is that 5 years? Well, they're saying, I guess they said 7 years to be safe, but you can see the trend.
Yeah.
So then does that mean an AI, because there's a conversational element to this as well. There's an understanding of language here that's so advanced that you would think would make its way into how conversational these AIs become also, once they start to understand nuance really well. They, it, whatever. 7 years is not a long time.
Oh, boy.
But anyway, it is just one metric. There's other things humans do. Come on, humans are pretty cool. Come on, man.
They're okay.